creative designer here at Sizzix, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really nice money box. So I have done mine as a travel fund, but you can personalise it to make your own, and it's just a really fun and easy make to do. So yeah, here's how I made it. To start off with, you'll need a piece of A4 size white card, and all I've done is print off travel fund. And then with my Sizzix pen, I'm just going to create a polka dot design. So I'm doing these so they're not exactly circular. So these are the dies that I'll be using, and these are the coloured cards that I'll be using as well, and the colours really complement each other. These will be all the elements that you need. So I'm going to take my turquoise leaf, I'm going to spray mount it, and then using the decor foil I'm going to place down and then peel off, and it should leave a really nice gold leaf design on. Using some PVA glue, I'm going to stick down all my elements so I get a really nice collage effect. So you can start off with any piece you like and just build them up gradually. I really just want to keep this all plain and then build up all the foliage around the edges so it's coming into the travel fund. So this is a really old frame. It was originally brown. All I've done is paint it white, and then I've drilled in a hole here enough to fit some coins in, and then I put my design inside of the frame. So I hope you all really enjoyed this video, and don't forget to visit our website, which is sizzix.co.uk, where you'll find more inspiration and more ideas for your makes.